Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a new feature in Google Classroom that allows you to connect national or state standards to each class. So I happened to be on Google Classroom this morning and I noticed something, this little blue dot over by grades. The blue dot in Google Classroom typically means there's been a significant update. When I click on it, I get the grade book over here, but then it gives me this new option called learning goals. When I click on that, all right, so track student progress with learning goals. All right, let's see what we can do here. Select standards, and let's see, United States, state standards. Let's do that. Indiana. And look at this. Here is the list of Indiana academic standards. And I would choose the math ones. Let's see, this is trig. Oh, I don't get to choose this one. Why not? All right, so even though there are standards for trigonometry, well, you know what? Maybe if I go to this one, it'll all be there. Nope. But you can kind of see what the options are here for whatever grade level, and then high school up to geometry and algebra 2, and then analytical algebra 2. Unfortunately, upper level math isn't covered, but this is not going to be an issue for those of you that teach elementary and middle school. But this is kind of a new feature on Classroom and definitely worth checking into. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.